In TxDOT project left drivers with damage like this to their vehicles. Good evening and thank you for being with us. This happened on FM 17 just outside Alba in Wood County. That's where TxDOT crews were performing seal coat operations and the materials were not mixing properly. As KLTV7's Emma Burns reports, rock and tar got kicked up, leaving drivers with thousands of dollars in damage.
Gene Snyder was driving home on FM 17 Thursday when traffic slowed when rocks and tar began flinging from the road and onto vehicles.
I was pretty angry. I was more sick about the way my truck looked because I always tried to keep it clean.
Snyder reached out to TxDOT and he says he was told there was nothing they could do as far as the damages, leaving Snyder and many others with
a total mess. As you can see, his truck's even worse than mine.
Like Snyder, Tommy Broom was also on the road Thursday, and tar-covered rocks are still stuck to his truck. He also had his headlight busted and a windshield cracked.
It was a mess. Why does my insurance company have to cover it if it's not fair?
The state agency argues it is the law. TxDOT is protected in most cases by state law to not be allowed to pay for damages with state money related to highway conditions. In a statement, TxDOT says, "We sincerely regret the inconvenience this caused and have provided the necessary information to help ensure that any related claims are properly reviewed." TxDOT adds on their site that filing a claim does not mean they will accept liability or responsibility. Attorney Justin Roberts with Roberts & Roberts Law Firm breaks down what this immunity means.
If your car gets damaged, you likely don't have any options. The state doesn't have the ability under the law to pay your claim. It's shielded from doing so. And the contractors carry over that immunity. They're immune as well, so there's very little someone can do other than file an insurance claim in most circumstances.
The project has been put on pause while road crews remove the faulty section to prevent further damage. Emma Burns, KLTV 7 News.
And TxDOT tells us work on this will pick back up next week.